Hi everyone, welcome to One Click Economy. I'm your host Mert Gül, and we are here to talk about how to save money on everyday expenses. Saving money on everyday expenses is important for several reasons. It can help you stay within your budget and prevent overspending. When you track your expenses and cut back on unnecessary costs, you will have more money left over at the end of each month to put towards your financial goals, such as paying off debt or investing in your future. Reducing your everyday expenses can also help build up an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses such as car repairs, medical bills, or home repairs can quickly add up and put a strain on your finances. By saving money, you will have more money available to put towards your emergency fund, which can give you peace of mind and help you weather financial setbacks. Buying the whole luxury products is cool, yet often we trade off our financial freedom with the products that we don't need to use them badly in the first place. On the contrary, saving money can help you achieve financial freedom and reach your long-term financial goals. Whether you are saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or starting a business, every dollar you save on everyday expenses can add up over time and help you achieve your dreams. For achieving financial freedom, first and most important step is that to understand your daily expenses and how to track them. Tracking your expenses is an essential step towards saving money, and when you do it, you have a clear understanding of where your money is going and can identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. It helps you identify areas where you might be overspending or where you can cut back. For example, if you notice that you are spending a lot of money on dining out, you might decide to start cooking at home more often to save money. Similarly, if you notice that you are paying high fees for subscription services you don't use, you might decide to cancel them and save some money. You can also create a budget that accurately reflects your income and expenses and also identify trends in your spending over time. Meanwhile, you will have a better understanding of your finances and be better equipped to make informed financial decisions. One of the most effective ways to save money is the meal planning. When you plan your meals ahead of time, you are less likely to buy food that goes unused or spoiled. This means less food waste, which can save you money in the long run. It will also save time because you don't have to spend time each time they just figuring out what to make for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This can save you time and reduce the temptation to eat out or order takeout, which can be more expensive. By planning meals upfront, you can make sure that you are staying within your food budget. This means less impulse buying at the grocery store and more mindful spending. Also, you can take advantage of sales and buying items in bulk. This can save you money in the long run and reduce the need for frequent grocery store trips. Start by setting a weekly or monthly meal plan, making a grocery list, and prepping meals in advance. With a little bit of planning, you can cut back on food costs and improve your overall financial health. Another essential step for saving money has two magical words: energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is an important factor to consider when trying to reduce your utility bills. One of the most obvious benefits of energy efficiency is lower energy bills. By using energy efficient appliances and lighting, you can reduce the amount of energy you use and save money on your utility bills. In addition to saving money, energy efficiency also has environmental benefits. When you use less energy, you reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emissions produced by power plants. This can help to mitigate the climate change and reduce your carbon footprint too. Would you like to increase your house's value while saving energy? You can do that too. Homes that are energy efficient are more attractive to buyers and can command higher prices. This is because buyers recognize the long-term cost savings associated with an energy efficient home. Those homes are often more comfortable to live in, with more consistent temperatures and better indoor air quality, which can lead to improved health and well-being for you and your family. Shopping around for discounts and deals is an important way to save money on everyday expenses. By shopping around at different stores or online retailers, you can compare prices and find the best deals on the products you need. Many stores offer sales and promotions throughout the year, such as holiday sales, clearance events, and buy one get one free offers. So keeping an eye out for these deals, you can take advantage of them and save money on your purchases. Another great way to save money is to find coupons, discount codes, and cashback apps. Many retailers offer coupons and discount codes for specific items or a percentage of your purchase. By searching online or checking the store's website, you can often find these codes and use them to save money. But make sure to check the expiration date and any restrictions on the coupon before using it. And the last tip for saving money is finding free or low-cost entertainment options. Entertainment can be a significant expense, like going out to movies, concerts, or other events can add up quickly and take a big bite out of your budget. By finding free entertainment options, you can stay within your budget without sacrificing your social life. Also, many free or low-cost entertainment options can be just enjoyable as more expensive ones. For example, you can have a picnic in the park or enjoy a hike with your friends. When you have a limited budget, you need to get creative with your entertainment options. This can lead to new and interesting experiences that you may not have considered otherwise. In this video, we focus the importance of saving money, and I hope that you found these tips helpful in reducing your expenses. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can give a try to prioritize your expenses and make sure to allocate money toward savings. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel for more helpful content on economics, personal finance, and all other related topics. I will see you next time.